Hello viewers, welcome back to your home for motivation, mental wellness, and personal growth. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of people committed to resilience, growth, and healthy living. Today's video is titled, How to Stay Motivated When Life Gets Tough. Life does not always go as planned. We all face moments when challenges feel overwhelming and motivation disappears. In this video, we will explore why motivation fades during difficult times and practical ways to rebuild it, even when life feels heavy. Let us begin by understanding motivation. Understanding motivation during hard times. Motivation is the inner drive that pushes us to take action. It fuels our goals, dreams, and daily responsibilities. When life is smooth, motivation often comes naturally. However, when setbacks, losses, or prolonged stress occur, motivation can weaken. This does not mean you are lazy or failing. It means you are human. Hard times drain emotional and mental energy, making it harder to stay focused and hopeful. Recognizing this helps reduce self-blame and frustration. Accepting that tough seasons are part of life. One of the biggest motivation killers is resistance to reality. We often waste energy wishing things were different. Acceptance does not mean giving up. It means acknowledging where you are so you can move forward. Every person goes through seasons of struggle. These moments do not define your worth or your future. Seeing challenges as temporary helps restore inner strength. Shifting your focus from outcomes to effort. When life gets tough, big goals can feel intimidating. Focusing only on outcomes can increase pressure and discouragement. Instead, shift your attention to small, controllable actions. Ask yourself what one small step you can take today. Progress, no matter how slow, builds momentum. Motivation often follows action, not the other way around. Breaking goals into manageable steps. Large tasks can feel overwhelming during difficult times. Breaking them into smaller steps makes them feel achievable. Each completed step creates a sense of accomplishment. This sense of progress fuels motivation. Celebrate small wins, even if they seem insignificant. Consistency matters more than speed. Reconnecting with your why. Motivation grows stronger when actions feel meaningful. Reconnect with the reasons you started in the first place. Ask yourself why this goal matters to you. Your why may be personal growth, family, purpose, or self-respect. Writing down your reasons can help clarify your direction. When motivation fades, purpose keeps you going. Managing negative thoughts and self-doubt. Tough times often trigger negative self-talk. You may hear thoughts telling you to quit or that you are not capable. These thoughts are not facts. Learn to observe them without believing them. Replace harsh self-criticism with supportive inner dialogue. Encouraging yourself builds emotional resilience and motivation. Taking care of your energy, not just your time. Motivation depends heavily on energy levels. When you are exhausted, everything feels harder. Prioritize rest, sleep, and recovery. Eat nourishing meals and stay hydrated. Even gentle physical movement can boost energy and mood. Caring for your body supports mental strength. Finding strength in routine and structure. During tough times, motivation can feel unpredictable. Routine provides stability when emotions feel chaotic. Simple daily habits create a sense of control. Start with basic routines like waking up at the same time or planning your day. Structure reduces decision fatigue and supports consistency. Seeking support and connection. You do not have to stay motivated alone. Sharing your struggles with trusted people reduces emotional weight. Support can come from friends, family, mentors, or supportive communities. Being understood and encouraged restores hope. Connection reminds you that you are not alone. Practicing self-compassion during difficult times. Being hard on yourself drains motivation. Self-compassion allows you to keep going without burnout. Speak to yourself with kindness and patience. Acknowledge your effort, not just your results. Growth happens faster when you feel supported, even by yourself. Using inspiration wisely, motivational content can be helpful, but it is not a substitute for action. Use inspiration as a reminder, not a requirement. Do not wait to feel motivated before starting. Take small actions, even when motivation is low. Action builds confidence and renewed drive. Reframing failure and setbacks. Setbacks do not mean you are moving backward. They are part of the learning process. Each challenge teaches resilience, patience, and strength. View failures as feedback, not final outcomes. This mindset keeps motivation alive during adversity. Remembering that progress is not linear, motivation rises and falls over time. Some days will feel productive, others will not. This is normal and expected. What matters is returning to your path after setbacks. Long-term growth comes from persistence, not perfection. As we come to the end of this video, remember this. Staying motivated during tough times is not about forcing positivity. It is about showing up with honesty, patience, and courage. Take one step at a time. Give yourself permission to move slowly if needed. Your effort matters, even when progress feels invisible. Thank you for watching and spending this time with us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivation and mental wellness content. Until next time, stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep going.